Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Michael Land. I've got something to tell you, but first, let me lay down a little groove. All right. Yeah, let's put a little harmony on it. Oh yeah, that's right. For those of you who know me, you know I love to sing. I love to sing, I love to create great music, and I love to connect with people. And I found a way to bring those worlds together on Patreon.com. Let me tell you about Patreon and why I'm using Patreon. Patreon is a lot like Kickstarter, but instead of giving and supporting one creation, you give and support for ongoing creations. For me, I'm creating musical experiences, music videos of my music, cover tunes. I'm excited about creating. Why am I using Patreon? Because I've got some milestones. I've got some big goals that I want to accomplish. Some of those are creating a great album with a fantastic producer. Another one is to go on tour. I want to take my music to the world. And you have the opportunity to help me do that. Patreon's really simple the way it works. You simply put in how much you want to give per creation. You can put a cap on that amount, so if I go crazy in a month, you never go out of your budget. And the cool thing is that you get rewards based on how much you give. And those rewards are all about connecting with me. Google Hangouts, you get free downloads, house concerts, songs that I'll personally write for you for your special occasion. A lot of really great ways for us to connect. So I'm really excited about connecting and getting involved with Patreon.com, because this is what music is all about. Making great things and connecting with great people. So if you want to join Team Land and become a part of my tribe and help support me continue doing what I love, become a patron on Patreon.com. If from the bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you. Oh, yeah, all right. Thanks so much.